Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Ritesh Alim. I am a student of FYBSc Computer Science at Gokte Jogaikar College, Ratnagiri. In this video, we see difference between hardwire control unit and microprogram control unit. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So first thing is control unit. Control unit is an important component of CPU. It directs the operation of processor. It acts like supervisor of the computer. Its main job is to get code from the program, decode it, and operate the arithmetic logic unit. It manages all the computer's resources. It performs following operations. It fetches instructions from the main memory. It controls the execution of the instruction. There are two types of control unit. First one is hardwire control unit and another one is microprogram control unit. So let's see difference between them.
A difference between hardware control unit and microprogram control unit. So let's start. So talking about the hardware control unit, it generates control signal needed for processor using logic circuits. So control signals are generated with the help of logic circuits or in an analog way. Whereas if we talk about the microprogram control unit, it generates control signal with the help of micro signals stored in the memory, or we can say in a digital way. Okay, next is hardware control unit is faster. Why so? Because the signal generation is done using hardwares which are very quick, because it doesn't need computer processing. But if you talk about your microprogram control unit, it is slower. Why so? Because the signals are generated using your micro signals which need some computer processing. Okay, next is hardware control unit is difficult to modify. Why so? Because everything is hardwired. So if you do bit of change, then you need to change the wiring of it, which is bit tough. But if we talk about the microprogram control unit, it is easy to modify because you just need to replace old instruction with the new one. Next is, if we talk about the hardware control unit, it is costlier because it involves hardware cost, which is very costly. But if we talk about the microprogram control unit, it is less costly because you just need the memory to save the instructions. Okay, next is, if we talk about the hardware control unit, it cannot handle complex instruction, because if you will try to implement complex instruction, the circuit that will be needed to implement that will also be complex, which will be hard to implement. But if we talk about your microprogram control unit, it can handle complex instruction easily because you just need to store in the form of micro signals. Next is, if we talk about the hardware control unit, it is used in computers with RISC, or we can say reduced instruction set computers. But if we talk about the microcontrol unit, it is used in computers with CISC, or we can say complex instruction set computers. Okay, so this was all about the difference between hardware control unit and microprogram control unit. So if you like the video, do hit the like button, do consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.